Good evening, everyone. I am Dheeraj Kumar Rai. I am trying to suggest you my sentiment for your future life. In this time, you saw many people in society who misleading you or do not happy for your progress. So every time you try to touch those type people who is helpful for your health and wealthy life, because in this time no one people want that you can be progress you can be progress for your life. So everyone, if you meet any person, then you try to be responsible, talk to him, because in this time all the person in the society as corrupt and misleader. They do not think how to you progress and how to you uh, find out the good role in your life. And some aspects for your good and healthy life, always you be honest for every moment, wherever you go and wherever you meet every type of participant, because honesty is the good policy. If you be honest, then you every time will be happy, and all type your work will be faithful and progressive, because honesty is the key of success. Being honest, you can find out the any goal in your life. If you meet a person that is mislead and tolerate you, that you forsake him for every moment, and for take attention for that point. If you meet the one man who is progressive nature and always think about your progress, then you will be touched in every time him, because he want to for your progress. And every time you meet the energetic people who improve your health and your education, because energetic people is faithful friend every time, and you do not meet any type of people that is the harmful for your education. And every time uh, talk uh, talk for good points, and every time think the positive things. If your nature is positive, that your consistent will be positive and your brain can signal for good things. If you forsake the anxiety and hypertension and do not take workload for any work, then you progress as soon as in your life, because in this time many problem are created in your life. So education is the very prominent figure, and to be educated you can find out the any goal in your life. By if you want to be a good educated person, then the preparation of those things you will be try for early age of his life. You test the good type of people who improve your situation, and do not think the negative things, because the negative things is very harmful for any person life. The negative things create the negative brain, and that will always harmful for your progress. So every time think about the good things and good things. If you try to think about good things, then your brain can give signal for good things, and your life will be faithful and healthy. So every time be happy, and always touch in society by good people, because they are progressive for your behavior. And if you interested in politics, then you try to read newspaper, like if you are well speaking English, and understand that many news article are provided by the many newspapers, that you can be in touch of them. And you are interested in politics, that you follow the good leaders of India, who is the base of our country politics, and you can follow them. And every time when we present in parliament, then you can um, hear their speeches, and follow them, what type of they are talking in parliament. And if you are belongs to society, you can find out the in society many higher rank persons, like civil servant, scientist, and architect, they can provide you the good view of your life, and that place you think large number of things. If you touch in proper ways in them, sometime, if you are follow a scientist, then if you follow a scientist, then when you research their researches, then you provide the good skills, and your scientific knowledge will be increased. If you follow a politics, that good politicians, that your politics knowledge will be improvement. If you are try to follow the good writers and good composer, that your writing skills and speaking skills will be improved. So every time try to be good and faithful for the society, because every time good and faithful person uh, are be changeful for their society, be changeful of their society, and society also sustain them. So every time think about the positive things, that is improve your daily routine, and every time took the good meal, that is the prosperous and healthy for your life. Because one statement I will provide you, that what you think and what you eat, then your brain react type of things. When what you think, that you can make it, that you can make. So every time think the good sentiment. If you think every time good sentiment, then you be a good person for the society. In this time, the society have lacks of brilliant and good person. Every person as corrupted, every person in society are tolerated by the many persons. But you think what is the good for you and what is the good for your society, and the good person in the society are find out very few amount, and then try to be the good citizen of your country, because the development and progress of any country is dependent on their citizens. If you can be the good citizen, that your country will be increased for development, and your country will set up the higher goal in the society. Thank you.